When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, September 12th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather much calmer today. Still a chance of a few showers, a bit breezy, but nothing like that cold, wet, windy day we had yesterday. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Primary core of the jet stream, the mid-latitude westerlies, well to the north over Canada. And obviously dominating the circulation is Irma down here. But notice how dry air is working around the southern and eastern part of the system now, kind of choking the thing off, and it's basically dissipating over extreme northwest Alabama. Check the radar. That was at 5 o'clock this morning. Still some patchy light rain from Birmingham to the northwest, but most of the rain has ended from Birmingham south and east. Temperatures, upper 50s and low 60s. You know, these are actually warmer than midday yesterday when the rain was falling. Almost every official reporting station over the northern half of the state set a new record low maximum yesterday. That was a cold rain for mid-September. There's our watch warning map. We still have a wind advisory for a few eastern counties, but other than that, things are calming down across the southeastern states, and no severe weather expected today around here. There is a marginal risk way out west. San Francisco saw some pretty good thunderstorms yesterday, and they might see a few more today. But let's talk about tropics now that Irma is fizzling. We've got Hurricane Jose, a minimal hurricane out in the Atlantic, and then a tropical wave that's out in the central Atlantic. Here's the 5-day outlook. That eastern wave should be turning north. No threat to the United States. So we'll focus on Jose. So again, it's a minimal hurricane, winds 75 miles an hour. Going to loop in the Atlantic, and then it starts to gain latitude this weekend. And obviously our friends on the East Coast will be nervously watching this to see what happens. Tropical models suggest it will recurve. The GFS ensemble suggests it will recurve. 21 members, and all of them except for maybe a couple keep it offshore. And the European, the mean of the ensemble, 51 members here, mostly keep it offshore. Could affect the Canadian Maritimes, maybe, Nova Scotia. But again, a few members do drift it back toward the United States. So it's too early to know for sure. Just something to watch, but odds are very high, no impact on Alabama. Look at the intensity guidance, and most models keep this thing either a Category 1 or a strong tropical storm. So, model fans, let's dive into the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock. That big old patch of blue, that's Irma down here. Down below that, the remnant circulation should be around the shoals at midday today. And there still could be some rain around, especially northwest Alabama, but this is the high-res HER. This evening, this is valid at 5 o'clock. And really not much. The bulk of the rain is to the northwest over Mississippi and West Tennessee. Maybe a few showers today, but I don't think it rains that much. On the other hand, probably a lot of clouds for the northern half of the state. Down in South Alabama, they should see a pretty good supply of sunshine. Tomorrow, again, we'll maintain the chance of a few scattered showers over the northern half of the state. Not much rain. And by the way, we'll stay in the 60s today. We ought to be in the 80s this time of the year, 20 below average. Tomorrow, low 70s. And then Thursday looks warmer and brighter. We go back in the low to mid 80s. Chance of rain looks very small. Thursday should be mostly sunny. Friday, the GFS leaves enough moisture maybe to mention a few scattered showers. And we might introduce that if we see that on the 12Z run. For now, Friday still looks basically warm and dry. Now, this is Saturday. The GFS is now singing a different tune. It has enough moisture to support a chance of scattered showers in here on Saturday, where yesterday it had us bone dry. Let's check the old reliable European, and it's got moisture increasing, but not much rain. So I think for now we'll talk, or we'll mention on Saturday, partly sunny, an outside chance of a shower, and keep in mind we might need to tweak that one way or the other as we get closer. High should be in the mid-80s. Stick with the European. This is Sunday. Looks pretty dry. Warm and dry, partly sunny, mid-80s. Monday, same thing. Back to the GFS. We note Jose off the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Moving northeast, kind of parallel to the east coast of the United States. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 19th. Ridging here, cold trough in the western states. That might bring some snow to some of the northern Rockies for the first time this season. Jose is east of the mouth of Chesapeake Bay, and again, for us, that looks pretty much warm and dry. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, the 21st, got a flat ridge for us. Warm, maybe a few widely scattered showers. Beyond that, nothing too exciting. And again, I see snow, purple, blue, possible for parts of Montana, Wyoming, and Idaho. That's a sign of the times. There's the QPF over the next 10 days off the European. Just for the fun of it, for the northern half of the state, this is suggesting maybe some 2-inch amounts with amounts under 1 inch for the south. And temperatures get back to the 80s. That's where we should be this time of the year after Wednesday, with lows mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.